channel, I'm going to stop you right there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, drop a like, drop a comment down below. This is officially the last meet hosted by Anointed Nation, the last meet of 2020, and yeah, we just thought we'd do a quick little get together since COVID's on the rise again. Yeah, so we just quick get together just to say season's greetings and so on, and that everyone enjoys their festive. So yeah, just a quick get together. Yo, check all these Z's here in the back. Fuck it. But yeah, just a quick little get together. We're leaving at 9 again, just from 6 till 9. Yeah, at McDonald's. Why are you always in the background? Oh,
you have to see.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, just a quick little get together. I'm gonna shoot some cinematics if I'm less, but yeah, it's basically a very special video, because it's basically a Christmas video, because it's the 23rd of December right now while we're filming, and it's 2 days away from Christmas. So, and like I said, yeah, the lighting looks more like that. That looks more. We should actually shoot cinematics now with the lighting like this. But anyway, guys, yeah, it's just the last event for the year. The next event would be January sometime. There's going to be a mountain run that Anointed Nation's hosting on the 31st. And yeah, so I'll be sharing that on the Instagram and WhatsApp on the gram for you guys to see. Yo, look at that lighting, guys. Jesus, that's so weird. Oh, here comes Robin.
Eddie.
So juicy. Okay, but yeah, guys, anyway, we're just gonna get some cinematics now and just take a walk around. Oh, show them this. Yeah, this thing's pussad. Look at that fucking spoiler. Juicy. That's that freaking Datsun. Let me go show you this Datsun real quick. Just put my mask back on. Just gonna show you this Datsun real quick. Look at this thing. On bags. Yeah, check this. Yeah, no, this thing's a fucking beast. I told him he's the only one that can rock this mags. See if I can mark one golfies rocking this mags. So yeah, that thing is a beast. I think I'm gonna grab the gimbal, get some cinematic shots for you guys while the lighting's this good, because the lighting's perfect at the moment.
I just took some of the best pictures I've ever taken.
This lighting is fucked, not your. Yeah. Look at this, guys.
Go to Ginger Ninja Photography.
Ginger Ninja Photography on Instagram, guys. Go give him a follow.
Please.
I beg. Yeah, and we are currently at 429 subs. So like and subscribe, guys. You heard the man. We're almost there at the 500 mark. So yeah, let's get it up there. Run those numbers up for your boy.
I told him, I made a bet with him, we'll be making 750 by the end of next year.
750.
That's my goal for next year.
Let's do it. Let's grab the gimbal, get some cinematics, guys. Lekker man, no complaints.
I wasn't gonna come. And then I left work.
Got Michael, Yusuf,
And then I was like, was it
got nostalgic.
gonna come through?
Everyone came through. Got Mr. Fresh himself. Yo, my bro, I saw you now. I saw you there on that side, and then I was like, nah, wait, you're doing it. Watch out there. You're doing a thing. No, I was like, nah, he's doing his thing. Leave him.
Listen, you probably wanna not disturb me. Please disturb me sometimes. Like, I like being
Nah, you're doing your thing. I must leave you.
Listen comes to the reaper, you know? It's all vibe. Yeah, you brother. The gents are coming in the hundreds.
Yeah, it started slow, but the men's is coming out now.
That's all me, Joe. That's a...
Okay guys, so we're just leaving the meet now. As you can see, it's about 8 o'clock. It's getting darker now, and yeah, we're getting home. Everyone is still chilling there and stuff, but it's nice and chilled, nice chilled meet, and everyone had fun. If you guys are watching this, have a awesome Christmas, an awesome festive season, and a awesome New Year. We'll probably only see you guys again in the New Year, because this was officially the last meet for the year. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video, the cinematics and so forth, and we'll see you in the next one. So from me and Ginger Ninja over here, yeah, trying to turn it that way now. Me and Ginger Ninja, I hope you have a fantastic Christmas, fantastic New Year's, and stay safe out there with this whole coronavirus shit that's on the spike again. And if you're traveling anywhere, which you shouldn't be, but drive safe, and yeah, keep your hands sanitized, keep your masks on, and follow the COVID rules, keep your social distancing, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. This is Riding the Reaper. Peace out.